Proper preparation for the breeding season is essential to achieve good submission and conception rates. A key factor in breeding success is maintaining a rising plain nutrition in the period leading up to and during the breeding season. Cows should be adequately fed high quality grass and, when necessary, supplemented to ensure their energy requirements are being met. This will help to promote early return to cyclicity, strong heats and improve conception rates. Target body condition at the start of breeding should be approximately 3, with little or no loss thereafter. Mineral nutrition also plays an important role in the reproductive performance. Key minerals required include phosphorus, copper, iodine, selenium, zinc and cobalt. These minerals support hormone function, overactivity and embryo survival. Deficiencies can lead to silent heats, poor conception rates and early embryonic loss. Minerals should be supplied to a well-balanced mineral program based on the herd's requirements. Cows that have not shown a heat by the start of the breeding season should be identified early. These cows should be checked for body condition, health issues and lameness, as these can suppress heat activity. Heat detection such as tail paint or collars can be used to improve detection. If cows remain in estrus, veterinary intervention may be required. Early action with these cows is vital to avoid extended calving intervals and reduce hare fertility. For more information on ensuring a successful breeding season, please contact your local milk solids growth specialist or visit tailonfarmlife.com.